I'm sharing my knowledge as per my thoughts, and in the last, I have to share an activity how to make tea. So, because my brother not tell the good in good way, we are all are laughing. So you have to take a container, boil the water, and you have to put tea leaves. Tea leaves in this many tea leaves. Okay, my drawing is not good. And then you have to wait for some times. Then put the milk. And then you can take also tulsi, and cloves, or some etc. Any material that in the you like in the tea. And then you have to take the sugar for your sugar. Yeah, as per your taste, low or high. Like my mother takes low because they have the sugar. So the tea is ready. Yeah, you have to drink. So thank you for listening. Subscribe.